Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, look, the weather is beautiful. Alright guys, let's see what we got going on here today. Alright, we'll have an echo. Another echo, I know. Rara, stop it with the echo, stop it. Guys, remember doing this video for my eBay store. I don't try to teach you anything, I don't try to fix anything. This is for my customers and want more. Picture is not enough. Also gonna do it in Spanish and then lo voy a hacer en español al final, mi gente, por favor. CS-400, that's what we got going on here, guys. Alright, gonna remember, I sell broken machines, damaged equipment. Alright, so far we're gonna start, it's missing down here, I guess it's a cover. But at least it's accelerated, that means we're gonna give it a shot. Going to this is the handle, the muffler, the top. Okay, and the moment through. See what we got. At least so far the inside doesn't look that bad on the cylinder. Whoa. Alright, the piston is completely scratched, guys. Look at it. No bueno. I don't know how bad it is in the back, but we'll throw a flash, we'll figure it out. Alright guys, remember, so broken machine, damaged equipment. I'm trying to be honest, that's the way I run my store. Like that, when you receive the machine, you can be the same way with me. I'm trying to do the best I can to present to you guys the best out of the machine, and you know. Alright, that's it. I guess there's nothing else. Let's go for it. Let's give it a shot to see where we are. You got it? Alright, we're there. Sorry about the noise, this is the air compressor. Anyways, I'm gonna pull the handle out real quick. The time is gonna be up. Oh, I forgot this, guys. I know. Alright, we got it. Alright, we got it. There's only one screw that didn't put, is this one over here. That's fine. I think I made the mistake and I got the wrong one. Sorry about the noise, guys, I apologize. By the time I was trying to get the compressor and shut it down, I put out the wrong one here. Oh, there like that. I don't know about it. Alright, you see? Alright, we got it. We're good. Alright, this is the spark plug that came with it. We're going to throw that one. Always check the inside. Check the spark plug. I forgot to tell you guys. I already looked at it with my eyes and I noticed. You see, always make sure the way it is. Some spark plug is different. Alright, make sure. Alright, we're good. Alright, check for gas. Oh, we got gas on this baby. Woo! It's fresh. No, bueno. Eee, wow. Alright, we got him. Yeah, we got oil. That means we have a good chance that we can see the pump, you know, do its thing. Alright. Alright, you got gas. We're gonna shock it then since we have this. Let me see if you're watching. Are you watching, guys? You still there? Yeah, you are. We're gonna just throw a little bit through here. You can do it for the spark plug, just a little. You can do it through here. Alright, it's coming, it's coming. Not yet. Alright. You can throw a little bit and accelerate at the same time. Like that, we'll go to the hard. Don't put too much, we're gonna shock it, okay? Alright. Oh, we're gonna check that. We're on, we're good. Oh, we're gonna check to see if we're locked or not. No, we're not locked, we're good too. It wants to go, but it's not pumping. Whee! The exercise that I need. I love it. I love it. You know, doing something that you love, and at the same time, you know, working on your body. I love it. I love it. I'm feeling it. I think I put too much gas. Whew! I like that. Let's blow up, baby, for a second. I'm doing one hand, guy. Actually, let me hang you. Like that, I can work professionally. Every time I'm trying to say professional, it's like I start laughing at my own self. It's all good. You know what? We're gonna put the doctor. Let's put the doctor. We're gonna put the doctor. Okay, we'll go here. All right, let's go. Nah, it doesn't want to go. All right, guys, you have it here for parts. I don't know what it is. It doesn't want to go. It looks like it's trying. I don't think it's a coil. I can try the coil right now if you want. Let me see. Yeah, this is one of my longest videos. I know. Always the last one. I know. Let me do a double check real quick. No, the spark plug is in perfect condition. That's something else. It has to be maybe the carburetor or whatever, but the spark plug, my God. That coil is in perfect condition. It's not like, can be something else, can be water inside, I don't know. Alright guys, for parts, thank you. Hola mi gente, ¿qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Bueno, ya vieron, ya por lo menos sabemos que la ladera funciona, la bobina, la mariposa y la bobina porque la probé. No me está arrancando, puede ser que tenga agua, mira aquí escupí un poquito. Traté por lo menos, si usted es nuevo en mi tienda, recuérdese que yo saco todo para tratar de ser lo más honesto. Ahí estaba mirando al principio, le falta aquí la tapita. Nada, vamos a armarlo para atrás a ver qué tiene. Bueno, ya saben mi gente, no hay mucho que enseñar. Me voy a tirar unas buenas fotitos al pistón. Tengo mucha mercancía que estoy poniendo todos los días, síganme por favor. Bueno, ya saben que se me una la raza.